Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove microphone permission on Android, follow these step-by-step instructions to control which apps can access your device microphone. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer or notification shade. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Privacy or Security and Privacy, depending on your Android version. Step 3. Select Permission Manager to see all permission types including microphone access. Step 4. Tap on Microphone to view a complete list of apps that have requested or been granted microphone permissions. Step 5. Apps will be categorized as allowed only while in use, ask every time, or not allowed. Step 6. Tap on any app to modify its microphone permission settings. Step 7. Change the permission to Don't Allow if you want to completely block microphone access for that app. Step 8. Repeat this process for all apps where you want to revoke or restrict microphone permissions. Step 9. Be aware that some apps may not function properly without microphone access, so only remove permissions from apps where you understand the consequences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.